see my microphone, wireless mobile microphone unboxing. This is a wireless mobile microphone. So I just bought this one. So these are the things in the microphone. The items, the clip, the air. This one will be attached to the microphone. This came with this, so I can use any of this, either using I can attach the air, or I use it with this alone. So this one, if I want to use this, I have to remove this well one and fix this. I'll fix it. Attach the clip. So just look very well how to attach the clip. So this small tiny area, that's where you now push. You push this in, push it in. Do you see? Can you see this hole? The bigger hole. So this is how you're going to do it. You push it in. You see it? Just let me show it again. This push it. There's a hole inside here, so you now push it. No, this is the smaller side, the narrower side of it. This one is wider, so push it in. So push. So you can see that it has gone, it has clipped. So I'm going to attach it on the dress later. So this is the one that's going to be attached to the phone. So let's say this is my phone. So I just push it in like so. Okay, I just push it in. So when you attach it to the phone, if it is not Android, it came with this other one. This one should be for the Apple phone. This one is another one that you can clip it. So you see this one now. You want of this one. There's another hole here that you can attach it. It has click. So if your phone mount is not this Android mount, maybe it's another, maybe Apple phone or iPhone, you can use this very one, click to your phone. So you can see that so it has two options for iPhone and Android. This one is for Android. So it came with two microphones. So this is the second microphone. So if I don't want to use this, I can fix it the way I fixed this other one. So when I'm through with that, I also fix this also. I can fix this clip just the way I did the other one. Not to waste time. No, I've done it before. So this is, you see how it looks. This side is wider. This is a narrow part that's going to fix. So there's a hole here. A hole here. I just push it in. Right. So it has gone in. It has gone in. So it has gone in. So I can easily flip it on my dress. So this is the charger. Using charging both these. So you have to charge this now. So say the charger, put on the charger. Put this in the electric or the power bank. Use a USB charger. When you are through with it, also you clip it here. You have to charge both the two microphone and this other one that you connect to your phone. So this is the major sensor that's going to make, when you click it on your phone, then you now enable it on your phone, the OTG enablement. So you enable it. So when you have enabled it, you can now on, there's an off and on here. So when you on it, it's going to give you an indicator, a green indicator that, so it's going to give you, if it's giving you this red, it means that you have to charge it, that, but it's giving you green, it means that it's full when you're charging it. So it's going to give you a green indicator. Same thing here, you click, you press it down to on, you press it down to on. So when you're on, it's going to give you, there's a green light here, a green light. So it will give you a green light. It's going to give you a green light to show that it's on. Okay. So when you're done, we can now test it to know the sound, how it sounds, right? So let's test it. Let's see how, because I'm videoing this what I'm saying now, I'm not using microphone. I'm not using wireless microphone. This is the phone, the normal phone volume, no microphone. So I'm going to use the microphone and test and see how it sounds, to see if the voice is clear and sweet enough. So let's see. So I've attached, I want to use this. I want to use the one with hair to see if it's better or not. So I can even test both to know which one is better, with whether the one with hair or the one with this. So what I do is I on the microphone here. So there's a button here, you press it, it will on, you show this green sign. So when it has shown this, it's already on. So as I'm talking now, you are hearing my voice. So you are hearing the microphone voice. So this is the microphone voice. The one I used earlier wasn't, there was no microphone. So let's compare the voice and see which one is better. I also attach it to my dress. I can pin it to my dress, and as I'm talking, so I can talk and it will be clearer. So let's see how it goes. Let's compare the voice from the microphone, see how sweet and clear it is. I've already on the, you can see the green light here for this. So I want to compare the two. You know, this one doesn't have hair and this one has hair. So I want to know which one is better, the volume and the soundness and the clarity. I want to see the difference. So I've already attached it to my dress. I've clipped it to my dress. So let's see, let's compare the difference, if there's any difference at all. But I know this, the volume and the everything, clarity will be okay. So I didn't see any difference in the two. So both of them can be used interchangeably. I can use, so I have advantage of having two of this cover. So I can use any of them. They are all same function, the same purpose. So there's no difference. So just if you want to buy it, you are in Nigeria, you can order it from Jumia, because I ordered this from Jumia and the price was not so expensive. So you can order it from Jumia and they will deliver it to your doorstep. So thank you for watching. Also put in the comments the one that you like most in all this mobile microphone. I also have another microphone that I will review later, but this one is a smaller version of it. The one I have is a bigger version, it's a very big microphone. The money is expensive. The money of the other one I have is more expensive than this. So I'm going to review that and you see it, so you can buy whichever one you like in the market. But it's good for us to have microphone, the wireless microphone, so that when we are speaking, our voice will be louder and clearer as a content creator. So bye. See you in my other video. Bye bye.